What do you see, Zachary? What do you see? Huh? It's a fire. See the fire? What? What was that? Was that on the TV? Was that on the TV? Huh? Hi. Are you going to talk to me? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. See, this is my soccer ball. Isn't it? See, this is my soccer ball.
Uncle Ryan got that for you.
Isn't it? Yes. Yes. See, I like hanging out in Nana's. I took a long nap today. Didn't you, Zachary? Hey, you. Did you take a nap today with Nana? Yeah. Yes. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes. Uh-huh. And it was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. And you feel better now, don't ya? Don't ya? Yes. So much Christmas. With Santa coming. Isn't that right? Yeah. Did Santa come? There's Mommy.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Say, Mommy, I'm so happy now. Yeah. See, I'm watching the fire. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? Yeah. Drooling away. Yes. Are you drooling? Yeah.
Really? You don't say.
Wait, can I do this quick? There we go. Oop, 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 oop. What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Yeah. Yeah. What did Santa Claus bring you? Some toys and a ball
And some clothes.
and some clothes and a rattle.
And you got some hats.
Yeah. I got a nice warm hat. Yeah. Yes. Yes, you did.
And lots of books.
Books. Yeah. You got books.
Lots and lots of books.
Where's your puppies? Are they sleeping? Are they sleeping? Are your puppies sleeping? Yeah. What? Yeah. Uh-huh. What else? Yeah. What else? Uh-oh. There's your ball. There's your ball. There's your ball. Yeah. You like to blow bubbles. Get your shirt all wet. Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? I just have to wipe your face. Sorry.
Are you gonna eat your soccer ball? Yeah? Yeah? You don't say. I can't believe that. I can't believe it.
Tell Mommy a story. And what else? What else happened? What else happened, huh? What else? What else? Huh? Yeah? Oh. What? Oh, rub your eyes. You just got up from a long nap. What? 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 You're so funny. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes. Are you blowing raspberries? Where are you going? Uh-oh, where'd your ball go? Where'd it go?
Uh-oh.
Where'd it go?
Uh-oh.
Where'd it go? Oh, you found your toes. Did you find your toes? Did you find your toes? Where's your toes? Where's your toes? Huh? Where's your toes? There's your toes. Huh? There's your toes. There's your toes. Where's Mommy? Hey, where's Mommy? Here. Okay. What is that? Is that your blocks? Is that your blocks? Huh? Ooh. Where are you going? You talking to the little frog? Huh? Are you talking to him? There you go.
Are you telling him how much you like Pajama Day?
You're in your pajamas for Pajama Day. Yay!
Yeah?
It's
Are
Pajama
you telling him you like Pajama Day?
Day. See, it's... Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.